Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your PC meets requirements and enabling virtualization in BIOS so the emulator can run smoothly. Once done, install a Play Store compatible Android emulator or the official Android Studio emulator image with Google Play. Make sure to choose an x86-64 image for performance and assign at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM in settings. You're laying the groundwork now. This avoids slowdowns later and lets you access the Play Store like you create a virtual device by opening the emulator manager and selecting an image that shows Google Play. Once created, edit its configuration, allocate CPU cores, RAM, and enable hardware graphics acceleration to improve responsiveness. Start the virtual device, then sign in with your Google account when prompted so Play Store can sync apps and purchases. If performance lags, lower the emulator resolution or enable virtualization-based performance options. These tweaks reduce stutter and make installs faster. You open the Play Store inside the emulator, sign in, and install apps just like on a phone. Search, tap Install, and wait for download. Once apps are installed, verify permissions and enable Google Play services if an app needs it. If an app crashes or the store won't load, restart the emulator first, then wipe the virtual device data or reinstall the Play-enabled image. That usually fixes corrupted caches or permission issues. If networking fails, check your host firewall and NAT settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.